These agile figures are the heartbeat of automobiles. In recent years, the development of new energy vehicles has been on a rapid rise. Electrification, intelligence, and connectivity are accelerating the evolution. Behind the new thinking in car manufacturing, what laser black technologies are hidden? As a shield to protect the battery, automotive battery trays account for 20% to 30% of the battery system's weight. When the car is traveling at high speeds, the ground causes bumps and squeezes, putting every component and structure under varying degrees of impact, especially the battery tray located at the bottom of the car. How to ensure the safety of the slimmed-down battery tray? Laser welding technology plays a crucial role. HGTECH intelligent equipment for welding new energy vehicle battery trays is specifically designed for the challenges of welding battery trays. With multiple welding points, high welding difficulty, and precision requirements, it employs innovative anti-deformation welding technology, ensuring welding deformation is kept within 1 mm accuracy. The welding efficiency can reach up to 6 meters per minute, and the production cycle can be as fast as 50 seconds, achieving a welding yield of over 99%. To meet various customer demands, it can also be flexibly customized to accommodate multiple laser welding processes, gradually becoming the top choice for battery tray laser welding.